So
Yeah.
let's say someone from a non-technical background wants to now, since Gen AI, with the advent
Yeah.
of Gen AI,
Yeah.
wants to do a career transition,
Yeah.
right? What would be your top three suggestions for them?
One, start with VBA, right? I'm assuming they'd be familiar with Excel,
Mm-hmm.
right? Excel to VBA, because that's how I also picked it up. Excel to VBA is a very small step, right? When you straight away go to Python, all those colors, that Jupyter notebook, the bad, ugly interface that it has, by the way, R has an amazing ID. R
Okay.
is really, really good. At least I prefer it that way.
Okay.
Like, I can't get my head around the whole notebook thing, right?
Jupyter, yeah.
It becomes really a big leap, and you are in completely unknown territory,
Hmm.
right? At that point. So one is start with VBA. Second is pick one out of R or Python. R is a very data focused thing. Python is a multi-purpose sort of a thing with great libraries. Pick one and please do the entire bit yourself, right? Like whatever are the problems. And third is do one full project, at least something that interests you. Start from finding the data to cleaning the data to getting the results, and to, even if not publishing, making sense of it in a Word document, right? Like complete an entire cycle, because that is where your learning will come. So I keep saying this to people, even for the case of Gen AI. If you think I want a bar graph, that is the easiest thing to do, right? But if I were to say, okay, I want a bar graph in which there are dots, for every item, and I wanted to showcase the name of the person when I do a mouse over, and I want the values to be written on the outside edge, and this line should be blue and the bar graph should be green with yellow borders close together, right? I am telling you, anybody would have nightmares around this,
Hmm.
right? And this is the only time where you actually learn. So your learning will come when you have an outcome in mind, and then you use code to achieve it. Otherwise, code can give you a basic thing easily. Stack Overflow, so copy paste, and you are done,
Hmm.
right? So in that cycle, please have certain output in your mind and then try to achieve that output. I think once you're done with that, Gen AI can give you a lot of basic code. Stack Overflow can give you a lot of basic code, and I don't think there is a hurdle after that. I think then it's just regular learning.
Perfect. Perfect.